Hey YouTube, how's it going today? So, hopefully you enjoyed the last video, but today we are going to be doing an unboxing of something I picked up for myself on Amazon for Boxing Day. It is the SteelSeries Arctis 9X wireless for the Xbox. So, let's go ahead and I'm going to actually pull up a web page. We're going to go over the specs of these, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing video, as well as if you watch to the end there might be a little bonus unboxing at the end of this video as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the specs on these particular SteelSeries headset. Okay, so this is kind of what you're going to get with the SteelSeries Arctis 9X headset. This is going to be the packaging, just talking about some of the awards. There's a brief description of some of the specs on the back. Kind of what's included, battery life, like range, Bluetooth information, that sort of thing. Some information on the bottom that I'm going to cover up here. So let's go ahead and get this cracked open. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this tape right off. Maybe. Typical box in a box. Okay. So, retractable mic, microphone position when in use. So, I'm assuming this just pushes out the side. It does. So, right here you have your USB, which is just a USB-A to micro USB for like charging. Product information. Silicone gel. And then the headset itself. Overall, like it feels like a nice headset. There's your retractable mic right there, and you can kind of position it where you want. Push it back in when you're done. We'll go ahead and peel all this plastic off, maybe. Moved. And then this will allow you to adjust headset size. And on the back you got mix for the game audio versus chat, volume here, mic mute, unmute, looks like power, Bluetooth, there's your charging port, it looks like an aux in port. These earmuffs though, they feel incredibly comfortable. So I'm thinking probably maybe 6 months down the road I will end up maybe doing a quick review about whether it actually lives up to the claims that it's one of the best. Again, that's not my words. It's won awards for being one of the best headsets. Again, whether it's the best or not, this is going to be totally subjective to the person that's using it and what their preferences are. So that's the SteelSeries Arctis 9 wireless Xbox headset. Okay, so thanks for watching the unboxing of the SteelSeries Arctis 9X wireless headset designed for the Xbox One, Series X, and S. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button somewhere down below, as well as hit the the little bell to turn on notifications to be alerted when I upload, post, that sort of thing on the channel. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so for those of you that stuck around to the end to see the little bonus unboxing, just a little charging stand for 4 Joy-Cons, 1 Pro controller for my Switch, because I do play that quite a bit, and would be nice to pick up 2 more Joy-Cons for some of the games. So let's go ahead, we'll get this box cut open. So this is probably the power cable, which it is USB Type A to USB-C. Not much else in the box. Yeah, I don't think I need a user's manual. What's this? I don't know. But that right there is the dock. Actually, surprisingly, it feels quite hefty. Like it's got some quality. So let's go ahead. Maybe we'll try dropping a controller on here. Yeah. Or am I just retarded? So apparently it won't fit the Power A Pro controllers. But we'll get these off. And these should it just sits like that. And then that's how they'd sit. Fortunately, this controller won't sit down in here, so there's nothing I can do about that, I suppose. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next upload.